Welcome, beautiful soul. Tonight, allow your skin to heal. Allow your mind to relax. And allow your natural glow to return. Take a deep breath in. And gently exhale. Slowly inhale healing energy. Hold for a moment. And exhale all stress from your face. Let your jaw relax. Let your forehead soften. Let your entire face melt into calmness. Your skin listens to your thoughts. Your body responds to your energy. Tonight, we speak gentle healing into your skin. Repeat each line softly and slowly. My skin is healing more and more every day. My face is becoming clearer, smoother, and softer. My skin releases all stress and tension. I am letting go of acne, marks, and inflammation. My dark spots are fading naturally. My skin tone is becoming even and radiant. I treat my skin with love and patience. I choose calmness, and my skin responds with clarity. My pores are tightening, and my skin is glowing. I release negative thoughts about my appearance. I am safe, I am healing, I am beautiful. My complexion becomes brighter every single day. My skin feels fresh, healthy, and nourished. My face radiates natural beauty from within. Every breath I take removes stress from my skin. My acne is healing, and my skin feels calm. My skin repairs itself while I rest. I am grateful for my skin and its ability to heal. My natural glow is returning effortlessly. I look beautiful, I feel beautiful. My cells are renewing in harmony. My skin glows with confidence and peace. I choose thoughts that make my skin flourish. My face shines with softness and purity. I love the skin I am in. Healing is happening right now. My complexion is clear, calm, and balanced. My inner peace reflects on my outer beauty. My skin is transforming with love. I am beautiful, radiant, and glowing. Take one final deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Your skin is healing. Your energy is glowing. And your beauty is shining softly from within. Rest peacefully tonight. Your skin is renewing. And you are becoming more radiant every day.